morning, everyone. I forgot to vlog saying we were home last night. We were exhausted and didn't get to bed till 2 a.m. We just woke up and ate breakfast. Delicious. Scrambled eggs, hash browns, bacon, orange juice. Really good breakfast. Very healthy. And yeah, today we are going to the beach. We don't know what time we're going to the beach, but we are going. So I'm hoping to catch some waves, maybe get some sun, maybe get a tan or something. I don't know. But yeah, we're really excited about that.
And we're also meeting Dad's. And we're probably going to meet Dad's friend, too.
We're going to meet Audrey's dad's friend down there. So yeah, I will probably bring my GoPro to the beach, so I might get some GoPro footage. We are currently in St. Augustine, and we are actually in downtown St. Augustine right now. We're gonna go look at some shops. We just wandered into a honey store. Look at all these different kinds of honey. I've never seen this much honey in one place.
Honeycombs.
Yeah. Pickled fruits. We got pickled strawberries and what looks like pickled golden beets. Ew. Based on your sign, I'm in Aries. I want to see what house in Aries would be in. If it's my house or if it's not my house, you know? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, I see.
I thought it was gonna talk.
Lady Luck is smiling, good fortune will be yours. You'll soon enter a period of especially fulfilling relationships. New friends enter your life, especially a lively Sagittarian. Enjoy concerts, parties, and sporting events. A woman wearing plaid will give you a job. Someone of the opposite sex is thinking of you. This person may ignore you or even avoid you, but only because of shyness or fear or rejection. Look to a helpful Pisces to bring you together. I see romance, the full moon for you. A brown-haired lady shares an important secret with you. And then I see 2 lucky numbers. All right.
So it's not actually a sorting hat thing.
So it turns out the machine we had was a fortune-telling machine, but still, pretty interesting fortunes I got. I found a Yamayugi action figure here in St. Augustine. My day has been made. I don't think I'll get it because it's $89! But it's still cool to see. First time in the Florida waters. It feels nice. No, in Washington it's mainly rocky beaches.
So just put your feet in one place and roll the sand.
Whoa!
Water comes back out. Your feet will just sink into the sand.
It's already sinking. I can't even keep my balance. Hi, Poppy. Right by a bridge and my feet are already sinking in the water. Oh Did it get you? This is why I should have worn a swimsuit. Hi. gosh, that's a lot of big waves. That's a huge one. It's huge. Look at my nail polish. Isn't it beautiful? We've just been walking along the beach. The wind has made my hair look like a mess right now. Audrey, are you enjoying our time on the beach?
Yep, so far.
But yeah, we're walking back. We're gonna probably go in the water like one more time, and then we're gonna go meet up with Audrey's dad and his friends. Goodbye, St. Augustine Beach. It was a pleasure. This is my first ever Florida beach, and it's way better than any beach in Washington. So we're currently chilling at the Panama Hattie's, and we just had some pretty bomb chicken tenders and fries. And we're going to go over to a place called Coneheads for ice cream, which no beach day is complete without ice cream, so this is going to be a pretty great wrap-up. Okay, so we've been home from St. Augustine Beach for a little bit now. We've showered, we've had some cake. My hair is looking crazy because I have braided it 4 times over, because when it's unbraided in the morning, it's gonna look super nice. But yeah, I love being on an East Coast beach, because on the West Coast our beaches are rocky and cold, but this beach was actually really nice. The ice cream is great, and tomorrow we're just gonna be relaxing, so there's not gonna be too much going on tomorrow. And then the day after we're driving to Disney, so yeah, I'm gonna go to bed now. Also, Audrey farted.
I've been holding it in until she finished the video. You're welcome.